Right, fantastic morning. And then soon we say a gugu kakra no science me and makasimi gum samwa. Tomo ya to pipe mo kokko fa fa ne ma be si so ni mu na Martin so no. Man so na anyanto. Tena say from Badwam sa anti aba. Madin samno de ba na na doso. Dey say fata sauti ne ya merebe mai kwan no so na ye dey abroad live or Badwam go kan see so say Joe Manosho Bernard Padibotwe and akwambia so no ma hye bibia neatia. But and of course, dance world services, banner cleaning, dance world services, and multimedia fear cleaning na lungu, but music by bio wa kasa o pakra on sentiment no na dance world for machines na meet me do and partner say ho lungu everywhere on bayaba. Come pa nya sam keto akra anti dance world there medium one dance there ma won company sakese and sorry akakra kan so ne bu so hey Nina cleaning carpet and so no work with teacher techemua not about yeso conference centers hold adia ba ko ebon an mo nwida ne se wo na kwakote anopa we dia fa cheme ayi ebon che te no de betwi carpet ne so a o ba hwehwe sentence saba ba bia ne tare dance world for betima ho hwe papa ba bia ma ba bia I need I'm going to opinion in someone about Mortar Guinness, of course. No matter the occasion, na Mortar Guinness na make for the amount. Sani beya, ubi ya besra wo fi kura na ni beje na Mortar Guinness. Yeah. We lose a Mortar Guinness. We see ubi ni ma respect wom. Na nso so mort. We peniti ema ne mort. Na I ya mo maka na ema mo we because Mortar Guinness. It's all mine sleek can no. Ya mine fian no masa edi bi account. They say no cry doors change first. Mortar Guinness. Nti say oh yeah program no Mortar Guinness ni is a program no em say nye heavy Mortar Guinness can one up na there is some right there bro keju an kasa na Erica see the the stage is set you separating the men from the boys they say you who when na e final no and England che Netherlands pomo a community moment team back just when Netherlands kasa dey call extra time only Watkins co-palmer combination pa na dem na omo some ya pon kra changes Southgate here no na dey sa go ne buy na no sa we last minute changes ama go by we so sign another change there's 3 games in here omo aye changes ajanya goals last minute so England any abre pass on between akofo na Spain for this tournament mo omo ejana so pimi na dey pem so da kwasi da but yemongre mu e was a game name England versus Holland right and so England anone ekwan mo fa so qualify to the final you better say omone Spain in the back Euros ye more third place and so wow you were from so kon sa bag na kofi na ka omo a on bebo final no but the course so England na anodin pa na dia fans a wo mo England ne fansa ekokopie mu Germany ani je na no den ade aye we en players na so ne wo mo wife fo no mo guess England for the moji mani papa say mo wo no bi ayire ne get park ne so to mu ya na mo free range za monkom na we fini dia no na we fini dia no the only romantic no na no hwe ne dia nim say to today bia mo say football is coming home once again amojidi say football is coming home now only Watkins on the ball that winner for England Watkins after the game the two just say one Palmer ebamu no omo kasa no che Palmer say ye komu ye nkose wate mami assistant na me she no so memo assistant mo asha pamba mu a weji ya no de ba na pa no mo she ye so mo di honkomo na woni mamo kan je ni ndwai oh enko hede Watkins kind and so I don't know some only Watkins or the two Adom Virgil van Dijk and captain de ma Netherlands so then some to just referee no more di no mem say what you tribute say den onim the entire referee no especially the penalty onim the entire referee just penalty no and ye bisa no so what it say referee we kra na ya ban ne pen I say or no ko share match fixing when ade I know there was a journalist ne bisa journalist we episode ne to trouble ne on cancer or see game ni mu and a referee na hu so ye Inti Van Dijk. Right, dance world services. Some can want to pay anything. Some about dance world. No matter the debt, on be clean. Man, I have party. I copy the Olympic Games. Baswa Ghana. Yeah, let's kakra. It mean you know. Coach them more. I just don't mati anymore. Now the president of the Ghana Olympic Committee, Mr. Ben Mensa, the sama to graph Ghana preparations. And I think so. No, sunny and she see na think so. No die. Bo yeah first yeah. Jumadi anase between. For Team
Ghana, Mr. Isaac Dia left Accra yesterday evening for their camping base in Strasbourg, which is in France. just to go ahead of the team so he can get things organized and welcome the team when they get to Charles de Gaulle Airport and then onward to Strasbourg. They would also have the medical team joining them as well as our media team. They are flying straight to Charles de Gaulle and then they go by train to Strasbourg. The rest of our athletes who are based outside, one is in Germany and she's going to drive from Germany to Strasbourg. The other swimmer is also flying from UK, Heathrow, to France. And then our athletes who are based in the US, Azamati, Isebotio, and all the others would also be flying from the US to join Team Ghana. This time we only had qualification in track and field and then swimming. So we have 9 athletes qualified and they are going along with their coaches for their pre-games. The entire Team Ghana for the pre-games made up of the athletes and then their officials, that the medical officials as well as the administrative officials, are about 20. And they will be camping in Strasbourg from when they arrive there, depending on how early you come. We're hoping we could get a 2-week training camp in Strasbourg. And then on the evening of 21st of July, they will leave Strasbourg to Paris and move straight into the Games village. The Games itself will start on the 26th of July and will end on the 11th of August. Courtesy of the French Embassy, everything that we need and have to pay for during our pre-games in Strasbourg.
All right, Mota Guinness can one idea we can see pro and pay in action so mami say from the 6th of July to the 11th of August and akwan bia so no bibia hye so and ya ti habre mi no ka say kra na bia start e wo so ho e wo ye tournament na say I guess I'm getting up. You feel the copy more once and from your bar and local stories kakra, your local clubs and association ahead of a new season. Now, so I mind and a JDM TNFA Cup, you're trying to make my copy more Africa. Now, so that's sorry, Coach Maxwell Kunadua, or the GFA Cup on the Jawa copy more or South Africa, Koji Edmafu Friday. Now, no, na be Brinasa, one crack club, no club, no problem near the idea. On our Ignatius Baffo, what on our yet Team Nura. I didn't say much to say one more Emma more blessings in yano credit and go for can't channel yano credit or be catch up no more to so bit mako and he says so makofa ya prekwabano.
It here say again no credit say coach Maxwell Kunadu if we enjoy wabra wamo be our money. I want to clear that. He came to me and indicated to me what his plans are. And Namia Mishra Subman say, Sabi Abrabode, Yaboko Venim. And she said, Onoa Nakuma Mofisa, a ho, and no court to a Medimasua, a Badwam Mishrabo. And to me, Peso be a debate to the team, Sabi and Pedras and Suat Mai, and Coach Maxwell Kunadu, Yentem BBA day. Oh, let's get that. I even gave him a tax. Because the sanity dia ono so onhwehwe na omaye obi a obetimi ato no dwuma so enti se ne yanya new coach no Maxwell eka hobi ene inside day eka.
Right, Honorable Ignatius Baffo now on the appointment of Yapreko or the same kakatu gafa ho say am hwe mu an mu say ya prekwan na so be say adwuma no de man structure ba destiny and I believe say Coach Maxwell from picking the team from nowhere and start the atmosphere what the pressure creating us the supporters, the technical team and everybody, because they say, yeah, Barbara, police working on America saying, so that's how big the team is. And I promise you guys, with my
boys will do whatever it takes. Where Maxwell left off, we'll continue and make it and take it to the next level.
Right, and Chachaman for Jesse and your bad, very beautiful Jesse, and Yapreko, new head coach, the man Chachaman. United, I copy more Ash Gold, as they say, a banning from football, a share club na in home, but former player the Ash Gold, Samed Ibrahim, or then Samo Tuga, as I say, near my day. If you see a banning Ash Gold or per club or Bokra Unya, say, if you not for now, or per girl cry unya, or Brett, is it your person jab on a Bokra, no copper driver be, Nasa started called the Fubi near the other, Samed. And you know, Isaac K. Nomanyo, that you can come out, Boise.
The player there, make us say, a happy. And I am a player as good players would be a higher pass, Saturday TC, Tiama, Misako, any Biasam Obama. Football there, the Bia was a document. Now, Ugo Premium, no, as I said, what we chance I could be one, Aushana, attempts in Chayi, and so Kampa, make us say, Scasemuni, never be a higher pass. If she want to Misako any day. Many person who come by now, maybe option be a SM Kobo, and I'm a Koboy. It's never say, maybe I like player there, a hammy, or find this one. Till you pack a way, remember as good as say now, as good to be a good opinion, I had me by you. It's the other than I say, yes, wrong. Obibia, putting up boa. No, not media was not a boa, was so Shamoton, so among tongue. Never a baby drink, so be a coffee, which I have to so be so be better not one of the team Yabana or was so it's mean a boa shot. We can be on the party. Ocean Stadium, I say, I need to be asking a Badwam home, wash and push on a pack and say, push never be brave. I say, when you says I had me party, it's in the studio and people.
Right, somebody Ibrahim, Nesaba, what they are to a Jana or Shannon Somami, say, a dance world services, or more can one or pay now, you didn't sub no dear bro, down on number, your point will be so, may say, back about TD, 0555 752 361, 0555 752 361, the patrol, Jiweka on 0302 905 538, 0302 905 538 and patrol dance world services no matter the if I will fear now so company events cleaning and waste management patrol carpet ne sofa if you pest control be and go to the be name where be rural fee be our new site more be home how doing in a dance world for me abo more excel house money regimental estates and it didn't share the barrier and sharing some beyond expectation and I say a bar just so dance world services I say beyond expectation that's what Mortar Guinness and so can one of parents some buy Mortar Guinness there sorry but bia no matter the occasion so on second the new slick kana Mortar Guinness there about Adra my sorrow now that's they expecting a Badwam so sectorial debate before you better ban there chairman ye hwegumusa mo atiase ba bia say to aba the echo and ochina sectorial debate no ye share the energy sector until you say yes honorable John Jinapo and of course honorable Andrew Ejapa Mesa and so eba to we kasa ma NDC na we akasa e ama NPP na ya hwe obia de waye de obetumi aye ne ho aye nto aba fam emano energy ne wana ya de pa ese ohwe na wote ensem ase afi anya yodium nyese wo party aye t-shirt nti ukoto aba masa party nda bi ye tie de amo ka kire ne yato amom oh so what I say tie the osmosis oba be ware nyese ofitin ya ho ahofe na da bi so no de opaka nti ne yire ni maka obo pa ono so no hwe te account na osmosis ware ne yire aka ne mako hirawa obia ne nti wososo esa utie nyese hu ahofe na hu MPP no de akire hu NDC na de akire be tie mi omode ba we na yeah so what I say they good Sergio Manucho Bernard Paribotwe me producer say na wakai de nankasa kakejwa ne ho Erica Sierubo de we be hia ba se ya de afia man kwatama klo e de apomode won samo to aso Badwam yempon e koso ahwen